challenge.
We're gonna take tissue and that pepper and dip it in there like that, and then we're gonna stick it in our nose and sneeze and try and sneeze with our eyes open. Right?
Yep.
Yeah.
My eyes are open, believe it or not. Oh, you laugh. We do it now.
Oh goodness.
Yeah, just dab it a lot.
Same time?
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. I can't do it.
It's not working.
I'm just crying. Oh, I'm coming. It was too hard. That's what she said.
One more time.
I'm just crying.
Did you do it?
I think so. It won't work.
The booger came out. Oh, my nose is spicy, bro. That's two. Going like all the way, bro.
Yeah.
That's what she said. It's not working. My nose is bleeding.
I'm crying.
It's not working, man.
All the way, bro.
Let's go all the way.
That's 4.
It's not working. I didn't even sneeze once yet. Ow, my eye!
I did it! I did it! I swear I did it. I swear to God. My eyes felt like they were gonna come out though. I was scared.
Not working! I'm done! I got 5!
Oh my god.
Wait! Be gentle.
Yo, legit, my eyes are
Like,
feeling.
stop it up.
My eyes are feeling spicy, man.
Give me your sneezes.
My eyes are burning still, man.
My nose is burning so much.
Honestly, bro.
My nose is burning.